Katie Farner, your director for Team Sunshine State Superstars. So you may have seen, those of you who went to Spring Sprint, an email that I had sent out a couple weeks before Spring Sprint letting you know that there was an incentive I was going to do for one lucky team member to get their registration fee, which was $60, for Spring Sprint back in full in product of their choice. And they could choose that $60 to be in Grace Adele, Velada, or Scentsy fragrance, whatever brand that they wanted. So I am about to announce our winner. So let me tell you all the details first. So just like any incentive I do regarding something like this, it'll be official on the 10th of the month. So as long as that consultant is still like an active consultant and everything is fine with their account by the 10th of the month, that's when I will redeem their prize for them. So that'll be the 10th of March. So before then, that consultant will need to just let me know what they want to get, and then after the 10th, we will go ahead and order that. So I've got everybody's names here on slips of paper, and remember, in order to be entered into this drawing, it wasn't just attend Spring Sprint. You had to take it one step further. You had to post a photo on Facebook of yourself with Spring Sprint signage and tag me in it. If you did not tag me in it, I didn't see it, and so you were not entered into this drawing. You had to post the photo and tag me in your photo. So out of the 34 consultants that went, I think there's maybe like 12 or 15, maybe probably closer to 12, who actually were entered into this drawing because they followed the directions. So first we have Aaron B, Tristan, Dawn, Tracy C, Barbara, Christina M, and this is Christina I think we have two Christina M's. So this is Christina McCrady, sorry if I'm saying it wrong, Tiffany A, Candy, Phaedra, Angela S, Sarah W, Amy F, and Haley. So those are the only consultants who actually followed the instructions and were able to be entered into the drawing. So now I'm going to pick a winner. And the winner is Tristan. She's going to be so excited. So Tristan, you are the winner of the Spring Sprint drawing. I'm so glad that you went, and I'm sure you are now even more so. So you're going to get $60 in free Scentsy, Velada, or Grace Adele of your choice. So let me know between now and the 10th. And then on the 10th, we will order what you get, and we'll take care of all that. So congratulations. And all of you who went to Spring Sprint, you're all winners because you walked away with some great training. So thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you next time.